So for today's video, I'm doing the hard obby sa blush obby for obby king. So I think kaya ko naman na siya. Alanan nyo na in the video. Hindi kasi ako nakapokus. Hugot kasi siya ng hugot. So now, focus na tayo for real this time. Ayan, kita nyo naman. Nakahanap kasi tayo doon. So I'm gonna stop talking to myself. Look at that! Guys, I'm chill, okay? Nakapunta na ako doon, hindi na ako nakakapasok. But, bro, I'm chill. I'm just a chill guy. Just a chill girl, man. Okay, boom, 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 boom. Yan. Imagine hard obby tapos may slap. Bro, that's gonna be so annoying. For real, bro, oh my god. And by the way, there's no ping token here, so it will be so annoying. Yan, i-off ko muna. So tingnan na natin kung makakapunta tayo doon. Bye guys. Hi guys, so I'm back. So andito na nga pala tayo. So I'll be so careful in this section. Oh my god. Be careful. No, bro, fuck you. Okay. Hi guys, map na tayo dun sa pinagulugan natin. So by the way guys, you cannot cheat in this game. So wait lang guys. Hi guys, so nag-back tayo sa start kasi nahulog ako doing my intro. So I'm first person. Yeah. Yo. Okay, bro. Shit, man. Oh, shit. Am I not calling first person actually? So, guys, ganito lang technique yan. So, hindi ko na pala pwede mag-cheat dito kasi walang magic carpet or anything. But hindi naman talaga ako nag-Robux. Kasi guys, ang sige sa ila. Hindi ko alam kung paano bumili ng Robux. So, hey. Yeah. Hindi ko alam kung paano bumili. Pero may bumili kami. Problema, hindi ko alam kung paano bumili. Sorry guys, nasigawan ko kayo. I'm doing this parkour. Yan. Medyo little harsh, not gonna lie. Oh shit, that was a clutch. Oh my god. Boom, okay. Boom, okay. Boom, okay. Boom, okay. Oh my god. Boom, okay. So risk it. Oh my gosh. Dito na ako nun eh. Kaso I didn't make the fuck. Oh my god. And guys, oh my gosh. So dito na ako tayo. Yun na naman yung mga jump. Okay, mag-ingat lang. This is the easiest part actually. Bro, I jumped. Oh my god. Pero we made it that far. Actually, that was impressive. Let's go to another game now. So, guys, bye-bye. So, mag-join ako na another game. I'll be back soon.